Willkommen zum aktuellen Goldinvest Exklusivinterview. Der Goldpreis hat wieder die Marke von $1.400 pro Unze erreicht. Das sind gute Aussichten für alle Unternehmen des Sektors. Dazu gehört auch die australische Nova Minerals mit ihrem Goldprojekt Estelle. Allerdings verfügt das Unternehmen auch über ein aussichtsreiches Lithium-Projekt. Wir sprechen heute mit Nova Minerals Direktor Louie Simens und lassen uns das genauer erklären. Welcome, Louie.
Pleased to be with you, Bjorn.
Louie, as this is our first interview, please shortly give us some background on yourself and the most important members of your team.
Sure. Myself, I've been in the markets for over a decade now. My background is building and construction. With building and construction, I've been in project generation, exploration, mining, the works. Our other team members, Avi Kimmelman, he's been in from manufacturing to mining, predominantly in the financial game. Avi Geller is is from New York. Financial is co-founder of Leonite Capital, a family office. They predominantly do debt hybrid type funding facilities. And we have Dale Schultz, our leading geo. He's basically worked on many projects, the Coricolo project in Bolivia, many large projects like the Estelle project, intrusive related type systems. And Brian Youngs, he's head of exploration and logistics. Basically, Brian Youngs saves us costs.
Okay, always good.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, thank you for the introduction. So then let's get to Nova Minerals. It hasn't been that easy to tell the Nova story for you in the past, as the company has two promising projects that are from very different sectors, though. One is lithium, the other gold project. That's about to change, though. So please tell us about the Thompson Brothers lithium project first. What is it about, and what are your plans on the corporate and on the project side of things?
Sure. The Thompson Brothers lithium project, based in Manitoba, Canada, it's got a JORC resource on there where a lot of work's happening in the background, and currently on the corporate side, we're listing it on the Canadian Stock Exchange. It underpins Nova's market cap at 2.3 cents per share with upside on listing.
Okay. So interesting, but with the price of gold, let's talk about the Estelle project, where you recently started drilling. Tell us again, what is this project about and what did you achieve there so far?
The project, it's a significant project. It's 113 square kilometer district scale type project. Historically, it's been drilled out, and there's been hits of 41.45 at 1.1 grams per ton, 387 meters at 0.4 grams per ton. It's an intrusive related gold system. Of the 113 square kilometers, we're targeting about 3 to 4 square kilometers, and we got the IP, guys, and it only gets getting bigger and bigger as we're going through it. We've on that small area, we've got a 2.2 to 5.3 million ounce exploration target. Beyond this, it's within the Tintina gold belt, Yukon, Alaska, within the belt. Basically, 50 to 100 million tons, million ounce deposits are not uncommon in that region, and we feel we've got a good shot to be on one at the Estelle project. The project shares similarities to Kinross's Fort Knox gold mine and Victoria Gold's Dublin Gulch, the Eagle gold mine they're currently putting into production.
Okay.
But in saying that, we also predominantly we like to look at production, and we're finding the large ounces. We want to find close to surface ounces where we can move into feasibility and will give us optionality after this season.
Okay, interesting. So what is the work you're going to do this season? What are you going to do in the next 6 to 12 months, let's say?
We've got the RC drill out there now. We'll look to get some core drilling out there as well. We'll drill all the IP, all the anomalies we've discovered. JORC is our maiden JORC resource is our main focus this year.
Okay.
Once we achieve that, we'll regroup and see work from there. We'll add resource to the resource base, or move into feasibility.
Okay. So that sounds pretty interesting, especially with the gold price going up now, rekindling interest in the sector. To sum up, what, in your personal opinion, is the reason investors should take a look at Nova Minerals now? Where do you see the most upside?
The most upside is in the Estelle gold project. That's just very large ground, very huge exploration upside. We're drilling it now, and obviously we've underpinned our value at 2.3 cents with the lithium spin-off. So with the gold price rising, we see we're great, probably one of the better leverage to the gold price. With upside on the share price. These are the two projects beyond. We haven't discussed the rare earths projects and the Newmont JV joint venture as well that we have. That's sort
true.
of a blue sky freebie, if you may.
Okay, so tell us a bit about that. Is Newmont doing the work? Are you doing the work? How does that?
Newmont's doing the work. We're currently going for the next round of drilling. So within the next over the next few weeks, we should have something out on that also.
Okay, so something else to look forward apart from the drill results from Estelle, which we'll be very keen to hear about. Thank you very much for taking the time, and we'll be sure to check in after the season perhaps to see how it all went. Thank you.
Thank you, Vaughan.